Yeah, there's two eastbound right there, but they're not moving. One is a northbound and one is a eastbound, so we'll see in a few minutes, but I don't know. The one on the left is the northbound, the one on the very right is the eastbound I just saw. But the three of the two, I don't know. But, I don't know. So we'll see. It'll take a few minutes, alright? There's nothing right now to Canada right now, so I don't know what's going on, There's just a racing going on, I guess. Is that number right? Oh, no, it's not. Alright, hang on, I'm going to stop filming in a few minutes. Cool, well, you can see if I'm stopped up there.